Welcome to HTech IT Education. In this video, we are going to talk about what the Node.js is by looking at some of the fundamentals and functionality that actually Node.js includes. Node.js is basically server-side JavaScript runtime environment. Traditionally, as we know, JavaScript runs in a browser environment, but in Node.js, it's actually running on your machine as a service, or you can say as a runtime. Node.js uses the V8 JavaScript engine, which is very powerful and which is the same engine that the Google Chrome browser uses. It's very powerful, it's very fast, and this allows Node.js to be a very performant. Node.js is mainly used to create web servers, but it's not limited to just that. We can do much more with Node.js. So essentially what all this means is we can use JavaScript as a server-side language, just like we can use PHP, C#, Python, or any other programming language. But one important point to keep in mind is that Node.js is not a language. It is not a framework. Rather, actually, it is runtime environment. So this is very important point which we need to keep in mind, that Node.js is basically a runtime environment. It is not a language or it is not framework. Now moving forward, as an asynchronous event-driven JavaScript runtime, Node.js is designed to build scalable network applications, REST APIs, microservices, real-time services, CRUD apps, and much more. Node.js is based on an event-driven architecture and a non-blocking input-output API that is basically designed to optimize an application's throughput and scalability for real-time web applications. Node.js is free and open source JavaScript runtime environment. It is cross-platform, that is, it can run on multiple operating systems like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, etc.